Good day to you viewers. It is time again to examine one of the best tiers in all of Pokemon. We look into this video and see the only tier for scholars, Cap LC. Let us have a gander at what our scholars are doing today. How's it going, everybody? IncogM back in another video. Obviously today we're gonna be doing another Showdown live, but I guess just really badly against each other. If you guys can notice, I do have a new mic, so hopefully that's not too loud or anything. I'm joined by IncogM.
Hello.
Dirk, I think for the first time.
I might have lurked once.
Maybe, I think maybe. We have Espeons.
Yo.
And we have 3 other people in call who are just lurking, chilling. I don't think Jaden can talk right now. We have Sandy as well. You can properly unmute whenever I say your name if that's what you're ready.
Oh.
And then we also have Pantros. Nope, remute yourself. Oh my lord, you must be in a tunnel. Holy shit. Anyways, I'm gonna challenge IncogM first. You're doing Cap LC. Now, the thing about this is that under formats, it's not located because obviously no one plays this, but I guess it's just for us to meme with. So we're gonna use it like that. So this should be fun. I have never done this before. I've only looked at this tier about a few hours ago, and most of us don't even know what the fuck we're doing. So this is gonna be fun.
Okay, hold on. Apparently
It's
I got
gonna be the best part though, right?
What?
Apparently my team isn't legal.
Yep.
Alright.
Oh,
One of my teams isn't legal because one of the moves on it is only available in a past generation without hidden abilities. Even though it's a fake mon.
Yeah, they had Cap for a long amount of time.
Okay.
This isn't the first generation they've had it.
Oh, hello. Well, we have a lot of similar things here.
Yeah, mine has an animation. Yours doesn't.
Listen, don't worry about all that.
Listen, man. Alright, obviously you guys enjoying it. It's Gym Leader Avery. Everyone knows the name.
This one.
oh, that's a lot of.
Just all cap, dude.
I know. I only did 3 cap mods. I feel like a cheater now.
I mean, you still might lose.
That's fair.
Oh, this is probably bad.
What do you
I don't
mean
like
is
this.
bad?
Well, because you're a rock type that gets ground type moves, and I'm a poison electric type.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
So that's real bad for you, boy.
You'll be alright. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I don't think I will.
Don't worry about it.
Just magnet rise right here and now.
I don't have that move.
Oh, let me close out
Can
that.
it?
Zooms up. We
Shit,
do
what do
zoom
I do
in.
here?
There we go. Zoom in a little bit more.
You know what?
Okay.
Let's get the ditto. We can kick rocks.
Okay.
Yeah. Ow. My life.
Yeah, get used to it.
Uh,
Goodbye.
Damn.
Yeah, half my mods are running Eviolite, so.
God.
Damn, I only have one Eviolite.
Oh, you're going by item clause? Oh no.
I wanted to mix my items around, you know.
Yeah, I did
LC
item
literally-
pause too.
No.
Boot camp. Let's go
LC
boot
literally
camp.
requires you to fucking not do that because Eviolite's so valuable. And berry juice on some Pokemon, but mostly Eviolite. Let's see what you do here.
Do this. Oh. Oh.
Hey, stop that. What was if I switch out, Coach? What happens if I switch out, huh? What will happen?
Well,
Okay, Bop.
I guess I'll just get bodied. Eh.
Damn, I disabled you. You definitely
No,
have technician, though.
that's the move I put over Drain Punch, because Drain Punch was illegal for some reason.
Oh, mine has
Nice
Drain Punch.
Double priority.
Alright, but mine has Technician though.
And mine
So-
has Unaware, so...
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh?
Magic Guard, boys. Wanna see something, Coach? Wanna see something funny? Give it a loop!
Oh. Well, I had Technician Rock too.
You're disgusting.
Nah. Are we really out
I
here?
approve.
Alright. So, alright, let's get this bread.
Do that. Get some damage.
Give me my health back, sir. Thank you. Oh, good lord, this is... I was gonna use the Pyrook one, but I was like, maybe not. It's pretty good, though.
Let's see.
What's his
I
name?
think I'll do...
Emberch? Pyro... Okay. Naming schemes are really weird.
Send this out. Fuck it, why not?
Fight me. Okay, I will.
Fight me. That's not fighting me.
I
Just
forgot
throwing
that
sludge
you
in my
get-
face.
I forget that you get Magic Guard. I forgot real quick.
You literally just had one 5 seconds ago.
Listen, man. I'm not here.
Aw, fuck.
What you gonna do now, bitch?
Well, I gotta leave. I gotta go.
Alright.
Oh.
Can you hear me?
Get out of
No! My
Out of here with that.
stats! No, that would have killed you. That
My
would have
life.
killed you. Oh, that's raw. Okay. What the hell? Thank
Oh, I
you.
forgot you get lightning I forgot you get that.
Oh god.
I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
mine has that
Yeah,
too,
that was
and that's
like
the worst part.
That was the one thing I noticed, like, 30 seconds into building Catmons, is half of them
Yeah.
have Lightning Rod or Volt Absorb for no good fucking
That's
reason.
the worst part. Mine just has the exact same ability, and I'm just like, wait.
Coach, you better hope you're faster.
I mean,
Bop!
you're right.
Voodoo.
I also forget that this thing just evolves into Scrafty's type, so it's just like, well, that's actually a good move to have on this.
Hey man, I do what I can.
Well, yeah, I'm just gonna lose.
Nah, man, you can still win. This is why I had like Scarf fucking I had the little bug thing, the Cupra.
Mm-hmm.
His definitely Scarf found a gambit. I'm just disgusted. God
Hello?
damn.
Hey.
You can't just come in during a live. That isn't how that works. You know that, right? You see a bunch of niggas in here, Cross?
Oh, I put on just muted. So I just assumed you weren't
God
doing it
damn
yet.
it. God damn it. You clearly saw the ad that said 3:30.
Flow toy. Oh boy.
God damn it.
Not flow toy.
Also, welcome Cross to the live.
Hello.
God damn it. Let's do this.
Oh.
Do. Let's go.
Why? Icicle spear. Okay, well, I'm probably dying.
Oh,
Oh, never
got 2
mind.
hits, damn. Well,
I'm still dead.
I guess I gotta kill you. Alright.
Damn.
Alright, Dirk, challenge
Rip.
me.
Alright.
No. There he is.
It's different. It's fine.
Alright. What in tarnation? Dirk, what the fuck
What?
is your team?
Oh, that's... Hold on, that's
Don't
Caudette.
worry about it.
Wait. That's Caudette the threat.
That is Caudette.
And
Just
Breezy.
don't worry about it.
And you got Breezy. Yeah, no, it's over.
Don't worry
It's
about it.
Burleezy. Look, why are they all female? Oh my lord. Oh my god, you... Why? Why was this the worst lead possible for me? I don't understand.
It's fine. Don't worry about
No, I'm
it. Don't worry about
Oh,
it.
you got predicted.
Don't worry about it.
You'll be lucky I don't have any defoggers, man. Oh no, I forgot to pack Scratcheth with fucking defog. Damn it. Alright,
No,
bitch.
it's fine. You got a spinner
What? Where do you see a spinner?
Oompst.
somewhere.
No, bitch.
Acrobatics.
Get out. Get out of here. Yeah, that's
I
right.
might.
fucking right.
That's still,
Oh, damn,
that's still
that
a
did.
chunk.
That did a good chunk. Oh my.
Do I just lose this Pokemon? Yeah. Fuck. Shit. Sure.
Also, interesting information for the future.
Yeah.
Don't think I didn't notice.
What?
Oh no, don't worry about it.
I kind of expected.
I'll let you know later.
Time.
I'm quite concerned. Also, you know about? I literally said during the call. Oh yeah, by the way, that bug thing is Choice Scar Final Champion. Come on, Dirk. Come on. What are you doing here?
Damn, Flotoy is not Leviathan yet, so it doesn't get guts.
Hey, Dirk. You know what you
Unfortunate.
don't get? Priority shipping. But you know what these hands are, Dirk?
Nope.
No, come here. No, I'm still hurting you, Bop. I'm still getting my damage.
Ooh.
3, 4.
Ooh.
Damn it. All right, that's fine. That's okay.
This mon is so cute. I want it.
That's right, you're not a flying type yet. Not until you turn into Tomahawk.
Oh yes.
I think I finished my team.
All right, good shit. Oh my lord. Stop that.
Well, you are a normal
Hey
type.
man, bulky main foo's like little cup staple.
Oh, trust me, Incog knows.
Don't worry, I
He's
understand.
aware.
But remember, I have Prankster. You don't have the high ground because you don't have 2 layers of spikes up. Oh yeah, you just said you were Scarf earlier. Well, I think I lose.
And it's like you're gonna enjoy.
I'll live. What did I say?
Fuck.
Hear me when I say it.
Convincingly, too.
Hear me when I say it, bitch. Try me, bitch. Oh, I'm only getting 1% off of that. You only have 6 left. I'll live. You can't do it forever.
What's gonna happen?
Nah, he's gonna crit you.
He's doing more damage. Wait, hold on. I just noticed. Jesus.
I'm not exactly
And,
sure, honestly.
That's
All that for nothing.
all that for a drop of clout. Jesus Christ. Why'd that do so much? I'm so confused.
I don't really need this. Well. We'll just click your click button then.
Oop. Let me have
Fuck.
that back real quick.
Wilmer has so much HP, that's not okay.
Hey, you decided to put it on your team, not me.
That's fair. That's fair.
And nothing more.
Yeah.
No.
Oof.
He really ran non-LC Pokemon, yeah. Dirk's a whole bitch. No, I don't want to hear anything from you.
Dazzling Liam.
We said cap LC and Dirk was like, nah man, LC totally. I got you.
I heard the LC in Cap LC.
Bro, I literally typed it out. There's no way. You just don't read. That's all that happened. Espeon, it's your turn.
Okay.
Espe just sounds depressed. He's just like, okay.
Listen, man, I'm not confident at all.
What is with you people? Oh my
Thinking
god.
I'm confident in my cap team building abilities. That's a good joke.
What's with you people?
I need some confidence.
Look at that whole Abra over
need
there.
some
What's going
You
on?
niggas.
Hey man,
Oh,
Abra's,
these Abras.
Abra's good.
He's
I,
not.
I understand this. Why y'all bringing it?
See, I feel like when I said that to you yesterday, Koji, where I said, oh, I might bring a team without cap, like just of half and half, and I definitely should have.
Yeah, probably.
I wasn't
I
planning on
was
it from the start.
expecting it.
I was like, yo, I'm just gonna bring a full cap team, and that's all I'm gonna have.
Oh, fuck, you're Scarf.
Lord.
Oh, fuck, you're Scarf.
Oh,
He was
God.
listening. He was listening.
That's a big
What way to start?
Fast rebel. That's a fast-ass
Alright,
rebel.
run that fade then. Run my fade. Do it.
I will.
No, you won't. See what I say? You do run my fade.
Okay, well, what does it mean?
And still did a good 15%. That's what it did.
I mean, correct.
No. Fuck you. I'm gonna punch you in the face, but not now. Ha! Why would you taunt me? I'm an unaware.
No more protect.
Okay, no more protection.
Oh, alright. Huh. Huh.
Well,
That hurted. Telling you, dolled up, bro. Voodoo, bro. Shit's crazy strong. Wait. Oh, so you're at 17 then, because you would have to outspeed me. There's no way we speed high. That was a crit? Jesus, what?
I was thinking about flash cannon to damage.
Flash cannon?
He just has everything on this Pokemon. That's the crazy part.
See? Got him.
I was gonna protect. I was gonna re-switch out, but
Get paralyzed. Fuck.
I still want a little health back. Thank you, sir.
Just a little.
Listen, man, I don't have any priority on this team, so this thing basically outspeeds everything I have.
Oh shit.
I don't have much going on here.
That's
I
fine.
have prankster, sure, but it's not like I outspeed anything.
Yeah. Nah, that's a Little Cup like rule. That's like a law in Little Cup. Priority is fucking. You have to have it on every team.
Oh yes.
So what's catching this work?
It's a rock type.
Yes. I know this.
All right. That's ooh.
That's a special attacker, though.
Ooh, okay. Okay. You have 15, I have 16 roost. Let's go.
Matey.
Oh, Aquarius Jet, I see you. I know what you do. I don't think I have anything to actually hit this for real. Because you get Aqua Jet, so this is awful for me. Because Dolled Up would die most likely. Fuck it. Oh. You guys wrong? Oh.
Yeah, you're just faster, so your priority goes first.
Wait, I'm faster than you? How? I'm only at 11 speed, damn. Oh, I opened an application, so y'all gonna hear it. Wait, hold on. I had to mute really quickly, you guys, because of the sound. I didn't want it to blare in your ear. There we go. Guess I'm gonna get my health back. Oh my lord!
Drain punch.
I want that help.
Alright, that's fine.
Man had drain punch in the back the whole time.
He could have used it. It's just like,
this.
you're wasting time for me roosting. I'm like, why didn't you just do that? Like, I'll let you have that, but Jesus.
Oh, Flow Toy's back.
Oh, that's cute.
Yes.
Sure.
Do you know what else I get? Yes, I am adorable, so. I'm talking match it for a nigga in slack-offing distance.
Oh, you get slack off? What the fuck?
Oh! So you talking all that good shit a second ago?
Listen, man, I
already
That
had
shit like
two
Mouth
of
wasn't gonna do anything.
You sit here without technician, apparently. That should have killed me. I fully think that you
I mean, I'm still in a good situation. I don't know what you're talking about.
Nah, no you're not.
God.
Oh, yes, I am. You can keep dragon dancing.
No,
Look at what
sir.
abilities I get.
No, I know what you get. That's why I said you definitely don't have technician.
Yeah. So you can keep
Let
doing
me
whatever.
see. One,
I don't
oh,
care.
right, that's all I can do. I only have waterfall in that. He dies.
have a feeling that's just evaporating.
Yeah, I said I didn't have anything that could take whatever it could do because I lost a little bugger to the scarf earlier. Huh.
That was like some damage.
Yeah. All right. Espeon and Dirk, since you two like to wipe the floor with me, go ahead, fight.
Oh lord.
Oh no, I don't want to hear "oh lord" out of you. Oh no, I do not. You better shut that shit up. Yes.
Oh wait, that's a surprise. But
Is that right?
me and Kenny did some research
Oh boy, did you
on
find it?
the on the thing that you and Flea were worried about.
Did you find it?
That
It is not what you think.
Hold
What we
on.
thought it was.
I'm holding.
It
What
is
the-
a standalone.
Did my team just get deleted? How the hell?
That sounds like a load of shit to me.
It actually did. What the fuck?
Oh, talking mad shit for a nigga over there.
Happened?
Well, Kojin and Dirk, go ahead and fight while Espeon tries to find or make a new team.
Alright, I'll send it out to Coach, I guess.
I guess I'll remake it. I don't think it'd be too hard.
As long as you remember what you have, you should be fine.
Alright.
Alright.
Huh.
The fact that you didn't switch out
Yeah.
Pokemon, Dirk, makes me very concerned.
Why
This is a Cap LC live.
Start with this.
I take my LC seriously, alright?
No, you don't take Cap serious.
I mean, why would you though?
No, I gotta take Cap seriously. It's the only tier that matters.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh,
Well, this is
no?
alright actually. This is
I was
this
like,
is
wait!
Well, it's like you're a flying type, but I'm also a fire type, so it's like
Unless
it's bad, but also not.
if Dirk outspeeds you, he can kill you in a hit, but it
I mean,
depends.
he might. I'm like 12 speed.
Oh well.
Well, we'll see how it goes.
Oof. I'll give that back. Damn it! Where's the burn?
That just did a whole lot of fucking nothing. You both Eviolite? Well, I mean, you're buried you, so you Eviolite?
Ow!
Don't worry about it.
My life perished.
Imagine if Dirk's running Assault Vest, even though he knows LC just as much as I do.
Don't worry about it.
Glances left and right because my private type might have a vest.
Yeah, I did item clause too, so that was the solve.
Listen, man, my plasma or my Snuggalo has the Eviolite, not private type.
Well, whatever.
Breezy. Okay. You probably outspeed me too. Unfortunate. Yeah, I thought so. Oof.
Damn. Gex is gone. Just like his stint in gaming, he is gone. Man, if he gets I mean, it doesn't really matter if he gets those up though. What are you doing? There's a whole nigga over there.
He's doing his best.
Don't worry about all that. Don't worry about what I'm doing.
Kojin! Alright, you know what? Oh. Oh.
Where's the burn?
You're just stupid.
Son.
Damn, you forget
Come on,
RNG
son.
just hates you.
You asked twice for it, it
That's
never
okay.
showed up.
Fuck.
So Kojin, how's it going over there?
Not very good. I'm gonna perish.
I mean, maybe.
Oh wait, hold on.
Remember how much you did to me?
I'm gonna do that.
I also had an Eviolite, but shh, don't talk about it. There you go. Oh my!
That's fine. I resist that.
You have both physical and special moves. Dirk, are you sure you know about LC that much?
Don't worry about the whale bird.
You went
it's
for
fine.
Whalmer, not Frillish, my guy?
I'm
Okay.
pretty worried about the
Damn.
whale
Don't
already.
worry
I
about
was.
the whale bird.
Oh, okay. Well, that works.
I feel like I should be
That
worried
works, I
about
guess.
the Wilmer.
All right. So I sludge waved because I was expecting the Voodoo to switch in. I was very worried about that.
Man, at least there aren't toxic spikes, though. He's a part electric type. What are you doing?
Dirk, what the
No
hell
more
are you
spikes.
What are you doing?
Look,
man?
Unburden Acrobatics was the most damage I had. Don't worry
No
about
more
it.
spikes for you.
Dirk, what are you doing?
Wait, so you're running an itemless
Don't
mod?
worry about it.
He had berry juice,
it
and I got rid of it with
okay.
Sunwave.
Yeah, he got the crit on him. Oh, Abra.
Okay, remake my team.
Hmm.
Oh shit, hold on. I'm being summoned.
Oh no, I was too.
obliterated by the Sabra?
I think it had something to do with the buttons I used to push to talk.
Oh.
I just like try to tab over
Alright.
the team builder and then like
Fluctuate.
Showdown.
Oh,
I was like, I can bad predict once. It's fine. Yeah.
Got him.
Why would you mention predicting?
Shh, don't worry about it.
You idiot.
Oof.
Don't worry about
Oh,
it.
getting the
Great.
nod.
You know what? I'm gonna try this. Damn it. I figured I wouldn't outspeed, but I wanted to see if I could pull it off. Eek. Bug. Damn.
You
Oh,
still aren't
Jesus.
getting anything. What do you mean, oh Jesus?
Where did my health go?
Cooper's dick with
Where
defense.
did my health go?
Because our moth is pretty bad too, defensively. But hey, it still hits like a fucking train.
Damn.
Oh, you're just stupid.
Unfortunate.
No night. Why do you water spout knowing that you get storm drain?
Because maybe he doesn't know that.
No. Dirk at least is almost as competent as I am, and I'm not that
I
competent.
actually didn't know that, so it's fine.
Yeah,
No, now he does.
there it is.
No, he knew the whole time. I DM'd him 0.50 seconds before.
That's 100% accuracy. You know what? The meme.
You right there, boy?
It's Technician Bulldoze, dude.
Yeah,
90 power.
I just noticed.
90
Jesus
power.
Christ.
I'm still not faster.
He's a
But take
scarf
this damage.
whalmer. How many times do we have to say it?
Listen, I knew he was. I was just like, I can kill this with Technician Bulldoze.
Apparently the fuck you did. Fake on not killing. Me and
I
full
hope you have
stable.
priority other than fake out.
Oh,
Alright. Then Voodoo.
And Kojin's worst nightmare. Voodoo.
I mean... Maybe. It depends. And then I punch him in the nose.
Oh my lord.
yeah.
Alright, Dirk and Espeon, let's try this again. This time without deleting your teams. I almost said deletion or something, but yeah, deleting. Man, I was trying to say something. I don't know what it was. Oh shit, Dominic's playing Crash Team Racing. Y'all in a battle yet?
Hold on. Where the
Wait, I can just go to active battles and just fucking refresh Cap LC because we'll be the only one there.
True?
You gotta be fucking kidding me, Showdown. I literally just remade it. Where did it go?
There's no
Is
way.
it in like Cap and not Cap LC, or I don't know.
Fuck away.
Did you put it in regular cap?
This doesn't happen on the other lives, Espeon. What's going on?
I don't understand what's happening. Showdown just hates me.
I'm definitely more confused than anybody else. Every other live, the RU, the PU, everything, yeah, this never happens. All of a sudden,
The OU Delphox live?
never happened. This? Damn, Espeon beat my ass so bad it deleted his team. That's wild.
That's fucking insane.
But Dirk's team is
He's
still
just too
remaining, so
scared.
I mean...
I mean, I just lost. Like,
Well,
Lost to my boy Boot Camp.
Yeah,
We're good.
was not prepared for
I
that.
can remake it. Just give me it.
A few moments later.
Go ahead, challenge Dirk or Kojin, whichever one you feel you have the best chance against. Certainly wouldn't beat the fuck out of me.
Oh.
I haven't been coding because I just don't know Dirk's name.
Yeah,
It's
Dirk kind of
literally-
challenged me.
Listen, man, that's a lot to type.
That's what I'm saying.
Sure.
You think I could type that high? Like, come on. I'm getting real sick and tired of you niggas having these non-cap LC mons.
Don't worry
I
about it.
literally said cap LC.
I brought caps.
At least it's
What's
just
the
Abra.
problem?
No.
Listen,
This is probably a bad idea, but I'm doing it anyway.
Oh no.
Oh?
Oh my!
Oh, I thought you wave?
You didn't watch the
I
last
used it,
match?
Like, last game.
I missed that.
yeah,
Man.
that's a calm mind heat wave.
Oh, now there's a matey here. I don't like that.
Yeah, that-
do this.
That thing is more
That's
of a
fine.
threat than it.
Alright. That's fine. I can take that.
Oh, see, Kojin, he doesn't have a voodoo, so you already know what time it is.
You right.
Little arthritis? Why is it named that?
Don't worry about that.
name? Aw, I was hoping to get him with the prediction like I did Dirk.
God.
Nah, you.
Unfortunate.
I had an Alexander in one of the OU lives named
Alright.
Arthritis. This is little Arthritis.
I hate that I remember that
My
too.
boy Boot Camp. Got him.
That's fine.
Boy Boot Camp. Oh, you have your own boot camp, I see.
Yes, but he's a matey at the boot camp.
Ow.
The thing
Slow
is
down.
Thunderpunch.
Slow down real quick.
Pull down. Grab the wall.
I'm gonna do this.
Should be fine. Oh,
Ouch.
I need
My HP.
yes.
I still do a fair amount, not gonna lie.
Oh. Unfortunate.
Yeah, you switch it to Grasshopper. Wonder what else he would switch it, Kojin.
Unfortunate.
Yes, 3
this.
Pokemon that died to that one Gex. Of course he's gonna switch in this.
Unfortunate.
No night.
I really like Smuglow. Look at him.
Right. That's fine. That's
Man,
fine.
there's just no status out here without spikes. Dirk might have been onto something.
Huh?
Happy Leaf Erickson Day. I
Oh
continue
my
dirty.
Jesus Christ.
That did a lot.
Yeah, that did a lot. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, he could have Earth
My health.
powered. Yeah,
Leaf Erickson
goodbye.
Day.
Why not Earth Power?
Hmm.
Don't worry, Espeon still got this.
Damn.
Yeah, see?
I was trying to set up rocks.
No rocks. Fuck you.
I'm talking mad shit for a nigga in final gambiting distance.
This is actually. I mean, it's kind of a problem.
Nah, Incog, you know what makes me mad about this Catmon?
Hmm.
I don't. This thing doesn't get a U-turn.
Yeah, that is kind of,
I'm so upset about that.
it is kind of a bugger.
Stop that.
No.
Perish.
No.
I don't know what I did wrong.
What did you do right?
I did things
Ever.
left. Does that make sense?
It's fine.
He can be.
Oof.
Damn, you just weren't faster. SMH my dick.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh, I just got what you were referencing.
I'm trying to use this once. I'm trying to use this one time. Damn it! It still didn't kill you.
Okay, I'm not even zigging.
It was a good try.
That's a whole. That's a whole Z hyper voice that didn't kill you. I'm sad.
You attempted to break
I definitely just lose now.
I mean, if
I lose
Kojin
to
has
this.
Aqua Jet,
Oh, yeah, okay.
Boosh.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Even me.
You're right. I forgot about that. That's my fault.
I'm really glad I said that because I remember saying last game, it gets Storm Drain, and I thought maybe Kojin's gonna mock punch here and not take the bait.
Is it bad I forgot I had
You're
that
expecting me to
ability?
remember too much about Capmons.
No, I was expecting you to put your mouse over the Pokemon. But it takes 2 seconds, old head ass. Alright. Dirk, Espeon,
Alright.
finish it off.
Alright. Alright, I'll get you this one.
Yeah, because ain't nobody trying to type out Dirk's name.
It's not that hard.
Shut up. It is.
It's
You don't have a voice
really
here.
not that hard.
No.
But
No.
whatever.
Niggas still. Ah! Nope, no, I was just looking at SB outside for hope. Nope, Dirk's still using 3 LC mods.
Nah, I didn't bother.
Yeah, you're just not gonna be allowed back, it
Post
seems.
that.
That's just Kojin's defining moment, getting nay-nayed.
Man.
Hey, man. You could have done better, King.
I could have punched him in the nose, and instead I was stupid about it.
I tried to show him. Why do you always go for one set of toxic spikes? I always wonder that, Dirk.
Alright.
Oh god. You're just gone. You got punched by a pool toy. How does that make you feel?
Honestly a little emasculated.
Got him.
Obviously, he just has superpower.
Then I'm sad.
I wish I got that.
I don't think you get that move, I'm just saying. Oh my.
Dragon Claw.
You're not a dragon yet. Wait, not even
Stupid
fucking what's his
fucking
face?
chump.
Leviathan is a dragon. It's water steel. It gets guts. Never mind.
Yeah.
Fucking good old Leviathan. We gotta do another cap live. And Sandy has to be there because, you know, Sandy doesn't win when it comes to cap. Especially
This
when
is
I'm around.
literally the wrong Mon.
It is.
Sandy, did you win our recording yet?
I fucked up.
Oh wait.
Get frozen, please. Damn it.
No.
Why'd you crit me?
Don't worry about it.
No.
You were dying anyway. That's
Yeah,
an
that was
Abra.
literally the opposite.
Do you remember what I said about? I was about to say. Do you remember what I said about this mod a few matches ago? Man, just
Yeah, don't worry
scarf.
about it.
So
Dirk?
come up with this.
Oh wait, Dirk has drain punch.
Eviolite's really strong.
You see, if you had faked out, then drain punch.
Yeah.
And don't send in Wilmer.
I was expecting.
Don't send in Wilmer.
I won't. It's fine.
I'm like, here's a whole freaking like, what is that? Fucking matey. I forgot its actual name, but it's right there.
Arbortek?
There you go.
Not Captain Vol.
God damn it.
Oof.
I should use Claudette.
I was thinking about it for a while, and then I was like, nah.
Yeah, but we're definitely doing a camp live again. Need to get that done with. I want to use belly drum. See, Sandy, you have to understand, you have to have available time to do that. The thing about us battling each other is that we're watching each other, so we can't possibly reveal it the first match and then decide to use it. Isn't
I
how
don't
that
have a
works.
good move against this mom.
Espen, what are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
Well, I mean, he's fighting something with Skarmory's type, and he doesn't have...
I was gonna say, why did you go into that? When you knew
like,
you saw Drain
Can you
Punch.
stop critting me? You piece of shit.
I'll think about it.
No, Dirk and
Thank
random
you very
bats.
much.
bro.
Maybe someday.
No, Dirk and crits are just one and the same.
What were you predicting there? Hold on.
He has Volabzor probably. That's why.
Yeah, that's
Oh, you're right.
Why would I discharge?
You're
when he
right.
has Volt Absorb?
Listen, man, I forget about a lot of things.
Stupid bitch.
So you do. Oh,
Crit. Got him. Ah.
talking match if we're nigga in regenerator distance.
Oof. No more tailwind for anybody.
Okay, but he did 20% with Flash Cannon earlier, so I mean, you just lose your Caudette.
He's gonna die.
Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Watch this crit.
Not enough.
Oh,
Damn.
Ooh.
I was hoping for yes,
pathetic.
man, I really was. But now you can kill them regularly, so it's okay.
Yeah.
Unless Caudette gets Roost, then we're kind of sitting here. Oh, wait a
I mean,
minute.
it is a flying type.
I should have had one claimed.
Dirk, I want you to know that you're a shithead.
I don't have much for this, man.
You have a Scarf Whalmer and you don't have anything for this? Really?
I gotta bring it in safely. Like, it's not that easy.
Yeah, but you don't exactly have to use Water Spout when it comes in, so you can hit it at least.
Got him.
Why did you think that was a... Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Dirk's
No, I'm
literally
not worried
just
about
getting
it.
his Manfu back up so he can get the Anjuna frickin' 5-0 sweep. Or 4-0 in this case.
Not the reverse 5-0.
Oh, it's the reverse, brother. He already had berry juice, yeah, okay. Whose child is that?
Sorry. Got him.
Man, I'm glad that's on the recording now.
Dirk has to decide what he does next. Oh, or never
Lose
mind.
is more likely than anything.
Rip.
There goes Dirk.
Yeah.
Who's the real true winner
Yeah.
here? Espeon. Espeon beat all three of us.
And so the winner of the Cap Little Cup Live is Abra.
Can't believe I'm secretly a Cap Little Cup god.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna end it off here. I might actually do a Little Cup season with these in there. I'm not sure yet. But if you guys did like this video, give it a like, comment, also subscribe today. And I'll probably edit this one down. I'm not sure. But you guys say bye if you want to.
Bye.
Goodbye.
And we'll talk to you guys later. And so our scholars are done with their work in Cap LC. Next time we will see them in the wild doing some Gen 1 random battles or something else more devious. Thank you for tuning in to the Incog scholarly program of Pokemon players.